This is the rose diamond table lamp, and this is beautiful. It has an acrylic outside, and you can either use this remote control or it's touch too. Perfect. All you have to do is hold it down for a couple of seconds and voila, the light is on. And this remote will show up to 16 different colors. Perfect. It also has a strobe as well as a fade feature too. And all you have to do is use the USB, which is right here. And here is the cord as well, so you can charge it up. This will even last up to 8 hours. Perfect. This will be good for your kitchen table, dining table, family room, living room, and the bedroom too. So let me show you all the different colors it can do. So here is white, here's a purple, here's a green, and here's a red, and then here's a different bluish purple, a different color green, and an orange red. And here's purple, teal blue, and a light orange, as well as a fuchsia purple, another turquoise green, and a light orange too, and then followed with a hot pink, a darker green, blue, as well as yellow too. Now let me show you how cool it is because it also has a strobe as well. You just push this on and now it changes colors. Perfect. How cool is this? And if I want, I can put it on fade, which does it more slower. Just like this. See how it's going to just fade? Very romantic, right? And this is the strobe feature. How awesome is this? Super fun and really romantic too, right? I absolutely love this, and this would make a great addition to any household or party event too. And if I wanted to go dimmer, I just push this button down. And if I want it brighter, I just push this button up. Beautiful. Let me show you a close-up of how awesome this is. Here's the remote control. It has an on and off button, as well as to make it dimmer and brighter, and 16 different colors to choose from. It also has a flash, a strobe, as well as fade and smooth too. Beautiful. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.